A pharmaceutical product moves through multiple stages from manufacturing to distribution. At each stage, there's potential for disruption or loss of traceability. SECURtracers stays with the product itself, providing a consistent point of verification throughout the entire lifecycle. That continuity is key to maintaining product integrity across the supply chain. Pharmaceutical manufacturers need traceability solutions that are reliable, scalable, and easy to implement. They can't afford disruptions to production or complex system overhauls. SECURtracers integrates directly into existing manufacturing processes without requiring new equipment. That makes them a practical solution for improving traceability while maintaining efficiency. There's a common belief that traceability solutions are too expensive to implement, but the real cost comes from lack of traceability, failed audits, product recalls, and brand damage. SECURtracers offers a cost-effective way to add authentication directly to the product without major operational changes. It's not just a cost, it's a safeguard for long-term value.